Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting episode of Sir Boats Yacht.
I'm your host, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of the Lawren Barge Yacht, a stunning floating home that's turning heads on the water. Whether you're a seasoned boater or just dreaming of life on the waves, this unique vessel has something special to offer. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's explore what makes the Lawren Barge Yacht a standout choice for those seeking adventure and comfort on the open water. Let's start with the key features that define the Lawren Barge Yacht. This isn't your typical speedboat or sleek yacht. It's a houseboat designed for living, with a footprint that maximizes space and functionality. Measuring in at 24 feet by 52 feet, it offers a generous layout that feels more like a cozy lakeside cabin than a traditional boat. The multi-level design includes a first deck with a galley kitchen and living area, a second deck with a bedroom and office space, and a third-story roof deck that's perfect for soaking in the scenery. Solar panels are integrated into a pergola above the bridge, providing sustainable energy, while a hydraulic aft ramp doubles as a launch point for small watercraft or a spot to relax by the water's edge. Twin 175 horsepower Mercury engines give it the power to move, and dual helm stations, one inside and one on the upper deck, offer flexibility for navigation. For anyone looking to blend home comforts with the freedom of the water, these features make the Lawren Barge Yacht a practical yet innovative choice. Now, let's talk about the design, which is where this barge yacht really shines. The exterior is a beautiful blend of modern minimalism and natural elements, with a wooden facade that echoes the warmth of a traditional cabin.
The stacked, flared metal roofs add a sleek, contemporary touch, while large windows wrap around the structure, flooding the interior with natural light and offering panoramic views of the surroundings.
The rooftop deck is accessible via a sturdy staircase, creating an inviting outdoor space for entertaining or simply unwinding.
The barge sits low on the water, supported by a stable platform that ensures a smooth ride even in gentle waves. This design isn't just about looks, it's engineered for stability and space, making it ideal for those who want a home that can travel. The circular window in the kitchen and the retractable garage door are small but clever details that enhance both aesthetics and usability. For anyone who appreciates a vessel that balances style with practicality, the Lawren Barge Yacht's design is a breath of fresh air on the water.
Moving inside, the interior features of the Lawren Barge Yacht are where it truly feels like a floating home.
The open-plan layout on the first and second decks allows for flexible living arrangements, with furnishings that can be rearranged to suit your needs. Think of it like a loft apartment that moves.
The galley kitchen is a highlight, featuring gradient blue cabinets that add a pop of color, a Smeg fridge for modern convenience, and a recessing bar window that opens to the deck for seamless indoor-outdoor entertaining. A full-width glass garage door can retract, creating a wide-open connection to the water, while a composting toilet in the full bath keeps things eco-friendly. The second deck houses an open bedroom and office area, complete with a grey water filtration system that feeds a small garden on the outdoor deck. Talk about sustainable living. Asian-inspired minimalist lines run throughout, with woodwork that adds warmth and a circular window that serves as a focal point. For those dreaming of a mobile home with all the comforts, this interior delivers a blend of luxury and practicality that's hard to beat.
When it comes to performance aspects, the Lawren Barge Yacht is built for a leisurely pace rather than high-speed thrills. Powered by twin 175 horsepower Mercury engines, it cruises comfortably at a speed that prioritizes stability and fuel efficiency over racing across the water. While exact top speeds aren't widely publicized, the focus here is on range and endurance, allowing you to explore rivers and lakes for days without needing to refuel frequently.
The dual helm stations, one inside for protection from the elements and one on the upper deck for open-air navigation, give you control no matter the weather.
The barge's design, with its wide, flat hull, ensures a steady ride, even in choppy conditions, making it suitable for the St. Lawrence River or similar calm waterways. It's not about breaking speed records, it's about enjoying a slow, scenic journey with the reliability to get you where you're going. For boaters who value a steady, dependable vessel over an adrenaline-pumping ride, this performance profile is a perfect fit. Finally, let's highlight the unique selling points that set the Lawren Barge Yacht apart from the crowd.
One of the biggest draws is its customizability. Each unit is built to order, allowing owners to tailor the layout, features, and finishes to their lifestyle. Whether you want a larger kitchen, an extra bedroom, or a personalized deck setup, the team at St. Lawrence Barge Yachts works with you to make it happen. The sustainable energy concept, with solar panels and a grey water system, appeals to eco-conscious adventurers who want to minimize their environmental impact. The hydraulic ramp is another standout, serving as both a launch point for kayaks or skiffs and a versatile deck space that connects you directly to the water.
Then there's the mobility factor. Unlike a traditional house, this barge can change its scenery daily, docking in new spots or anchoring in quiet coves. It's a home that travels, offering a lifestyle of freedom and flexibility. For anyone looking for a one-of-a-kind waterborne retreat, these unique selling points make the Lawren Barge Yacht a true gem. That wraps up our deep dive into the Lawren Barge Yacht here on Sir Boats Yacht. From its spacious layout and innovative design to its cozy interior, steady performance, and customizable features, this vessel offers a fresh take on life on the water. Whether you're imagining a weekend getaway or a full-time floating home, it's a boat that invites you to live your dreams. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more yacht explorations. Drop a comment below. Have you ever considered living on a barge, or do you have questions about this beauty? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring the waves, and I'll see you on the water with Sir Boats Yacht.